This is worse than
Okay, if you do a lot of screaming, they'll know we're not supposed to have it. Okay. See? You got to stop doing that.
But that's the fun part.
Oh, God.
We need to move this furniture. That table's in the wrong place.
Oh, God. Oh, that.
We need more of these.
Yeah, like 6 or 7. Good job.